So I got my next order of Chic Sparrow. I have not opened it yet. I apologize for the lighting. I work at a body shop and I just could not wait to get home. So I'm gonna show you everything I got. So I ordered two. This is not second chance. These were on the Black Friday 30% off. Actually, it was Cyber Monday 30% off. So I got a Mr. Darcy Bingley and a Mr. Darcy Butter Toffee. Both are A5, so let's open it up and I'll show you what we got. Okay, so here is the envelope. They send me a sticker, same one that I've gotten 5 times before. I'm looking forward to hopefully switching it up here in the near future. All right, so this is going to be my butter toffee. Oh my God. Look at those striations. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Oh my God. Guys. Okay, so in my order notes, I did put thickest leather, crazy striations and fat rolls, lots of natural variations, and good Lord, did they deliver. My heart is just jumping. I have never seen one so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Looks like there's a couple maybe bug bites. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Freak out. Let's take a look at Mr. Bingley. Oh my God, Chic Sparrow. Sorry, it's hard to deal with this. Oh my God. There's scarring and the striations. Guys, if you know me, you have no idea how excited I am. These are the most beautiful. Oh my God. I can't believe how beautiful. Oh goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, wow. This is, yeah, these lines right here, these are what they call striations, and they're fat rolls. They just make them so beautiful. All right, I do have a couple more orders coming, so I'll post those when I get those too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, and I'm definitely going to probably be using these in the next coming months. Okay, well, I am gonna get back to work because I'm definitely still in for the day. I just could not absolutely wait to do more of these. So, oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Chic Sparrow. These are so beautiful.